Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Philippines declares food security emergency. Philippine Agriculture Secretary declared a food security emergency to address the soaring rice prices, enabling the release of rice buffer stocks by the National Food Authority to stabilize prices. This move follows recommendations from the National Price Coordinating Council and is based on the authority granted by the Rice Tarification Law, allowing the government to respond to extraordinary price increases. The emergency measures will remain in place until rice prices are stabilized, aiming to protect consumers from further price hikes. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new badge for the IAS-GS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501 87501. Impact of high rice prices. In December 2023, rice inflation in the Philippines reached 21.4%, significantly affecting the affordability and accessibility of this staple food for millions of Filipinos. The government's intervention through the release of buffer stocks aims to mitigate the impact of rising rice prices and ensure food safety. The Philippine economy faced challenges including extreme weather events and geopolitical tensions, which contributed to setbacks in the agriculture sector, especially with 6 typhoons hitting the country between October and November 2024. Economic growth and challenges. The Philippines' GDP grew by 5.6% in 2024, falling short of the government's target range of 6 to 6.5%. Despite this, the country remains the third fastest growing economy in the region, supported by its resilience in the face of external challenges such as subdued global demand and extreme weather. National Economic and Development Authority Under Secretary emphasized the need for diversified economic growth sources to build resilience and ensure price stability, particularly in essential goods like rice. Now, here's a practice question for you. Under which law is the Agriculture Secretary empowered to declare a food security emergency in the Philippines? Rice Tarification Law, Food Security Act, Agriculture Price Control Law, or Food Emergency Law? Send the answer of this question in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.